This lesson I'm really excited to talk about because I think this is such a fascinating way to use this tool, which is asking the right questions to learn about other people's success in the past. And the reason I think this is so cool is because if you're gonna do this with traditional Google searches, it would be so many clicks to different articles and scanning through pages of blogs and write-ups to try to find just the quick, most concise information to find on people's past and why they became so successful. So let's hop into ChatGPT and see what we can learn. So the prompt I want to start with is a public figure that most everyone knows, Dr. Dre, super famous music producer, super famous entrepreneur. And I'm going to ask a really simple question right out of the gate. Why was Dr. Dre so successful? Awesome. So we have a concise answer on his reasons for success, and let's just read through this quickly. Dr. Dre, whose real name is Andre Young, is considered one of the most successful and influential hip-hop producers of all time. Here are some reasons why he's been so successful. First off is pioneering his own sound, which is one of the main reasons he's known for, is creating that unique sound. Next is his talent as a producer, and then his eye for finding and discovering new and up-and-coming talent, and his business savviness, which this is really interesting to me, and I want to find out more about point number 4. So it expanded on point number 4, Dr. Dre's success as a businessman can be attributed to his ability to spot trends and capitalize them. He co-founded Death Row Records in the early 1990s, which quickly became one of the most successful and influential hip-hop labels of all times. Now, I would like a little bit more detail on this answer, so I'm going to say, please list his most influential and successful events of his career in chronological order with a brief description. And what this is going to do is lay out all of his most important moments and let me know when they were and what they were. Perfect. So it outlined his most important moments in his music career, but it's related more towards his album releases. Now what I want to learn is now create another list that just shows his business-related decisions that were a huge success. So rather than getting more about his music side, I wanna just really focus in on the business side. So there you have it. Now I have a list of his most important business decisions, and I can learn from this, get inspired from this, and create my own roadmap if I was trying to walk in his footsteps and emulate his career. So that leads to the next prompt. What are the main points of his success that I can implement as an up-and-coming music producer? So now we have a specific set of steps that we can potentially follow as an up-and-coming music producer to develop our own sound, collaborate with other artists, stay on top of trends, build strong business foundation, and nurture other people's talent and our own talent the same way Dr. Dre did. Now I want to take this one step further and ask to create a weekly schedule that outlines what I should do each day and at what time in order to implement the 5 steps outlined above. So now I have an overview of what I can focus on every single day in the morning and then in the afternoon to really walk in Dr. Dre's footsteps. And you can recreate this for any artist, any entrepreneur, any business person, and opportunities are endless here. So I really recommend that you try this out. Find one of your favorite celebrities or people that you look up to, dig down and find out about their success, about their talents, why they were so successful, and then see what you can do to develop your own schedule to start emulating that success.